Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing, my fellow shoppers. Today we're showing you guys these cute little pumpkin Halloween lights. So let's show you guys what you get and also show you guys how they look. I mean, look at that. They are just adorable. Alright guys, so this is what they look like. Now you're going to need 3 AA batteries, which we got right here. They give you a remote control. Looks like some hanging brackets, double-sided tape, spare little pumpkin, and this is it. So to turn it on and off and set everything, you just press this button here once the batteries are in, or use the remote. All right guys, these are absolutely cute. So this is one light mode. Actually, I think this is like an automatic mode where it goes through them all. Let's see, combination, yes, let's do wave. Very nice. These are gonna look great at nighttime for Halloween. This in sequence. Yeah, you guys are gonna love them. And this is kind of slow glow, chasing flash. We got slow fade, twinkle and flash, steady on. So steady on means they just stay solid. I think I like the combination one, and then you press it for off. So I'm gonna do the combination once we install it on our rail closer to the season. Very nice, guys. I think you're gonna love them.